Hello guys, Amazon.com Incorporated, one of the largest companies in the world, is a global leader in e-commerce and cloud computing. The company operates an online marketplace offering a vast variety of products, mostly from other merchants, including electronics, apparel, furniture, food, and toys. It also offers video and music streaming services. Amazon's cloud services platform hosts online applications for a broad range of customers. Founded in 1994, Amazon started out as an online bookstore. But its founder and former chief executive officer, CEO, Jeff Bezos, envisioned Amazon as more than merely an online retailer. Instead, Bezos saw Amazon as a technology company whose competitive advantage was making online transactions simpler for consumers. Amazon shares began trading following an initial public offering, IPO, in May 1997. Its stock is listed on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. Amazon has long been based in Seattle. In 2018, it unveiled plans for a second headquarters in Arlington, Virginia. Andy Jassy has been the e-commerce giant's CEO since succeeding Bezos in July 2021. Bezos remains as executive chair. Amazon is grouped with consumer discretionary stocks for investing purposes, though it is also included in many mutual and exchange-traded funds focused on the technology sector in recognition of Amazon Web Services (AWS) status as a leading cloud computing provider. The company's main competitors include brick-and-mortar retailers like Walmart Incorporated, WMT, the e-commerce platform operator eBay Incorporated, eBay, and cloud computing services rivals Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, and Alphabet Incorporated, Google. Amazon posted net income of $33.4 billion on net sales of $469.8 billion in 2021. Thanks guys for watching this video. Check out the links at the description area below for more insights on Amazon, and make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you all right in the next video.